Meanwhile, the implementation of General Community Quarantine Alert Level 4 in Metro Manila starts today. Under this classification, some establishments are already allowed to operate on a limited capacity. Along with the pilot implementation, some local government units install vaccination seal and offer incentives to promote business. JP Nunez will give us an update live. Yes, JP, good evening. Go ahead.
Yes, William, Caloocan, Mandaluyong, and San Juan cities install fully vaccinated seal to compliant business establishment along with the pilot implementation of Alert Level 4 in National Capital Region. 100% vaccination seal means employees of a business establishment are fully vaccinated. San Juan City will also give incentives to fully vaccinated customers. This, however, will depend upon the business owners, but discounts and freebies are among them. They just need to present a valid ID and vaccination card for verification. The Department of the Interior and local government said restaurants and other establishments should check the vaccination card of customers if they are fully inoculated to avail the indoor services. But San Juan Mayor Francis Zamora issues a warning against those who will try to present fake vaccination cards.
Sa ngayon, ang San Juan po, meron tayong existing ordinance kung saan we will penalize you 5,000 pesos at pwede kayong makulong ng 6 months to 1 year kung mahuli namin kayo na gumagamit ng peking vaccination card.
Along with the easing of some restrictions is the implementation of granular lockdowns in areas with high COVID-19 cases, one of which is at H. Santos Street, Barangay Tejeros, Makati City. Food packs and swab testing for the affected residents were immediately deployed. COVID-19 home care kits will also be given to positive asymptomatic patients. Based on the data from the National Capital Region Police Office, 57 areas in Metro Manila are currently under granular lockdown. Metropolitan Manila Development Authority Chairman Benher Abalos Jr. admits the pilot implementation of alert level restrictions in NCR faces challenges.
Well, of course, sa day one, una-una baka ang tao naninibago pa. Medyo nalilito pa iba. Pangalawang challenge is that dapat malaman nila, baka papasok sila sa restaurant, may mga lugar na pwede ka lang bakunado kung ikaw ay dine-in. No? Baka hindi nila alam yun. No? At of course, pangatlo, yung pag-check nito.
Malacanang, meanwhile, said there is no estimate yet on when Metro Manila will be placed under a more relaxed restrictions.
So, hindi ko po alam kung kailan natin makakamit yan. Pero ang importante po sa Metro Manila, mahigit 60% na po ang ating pagbabakuna.
William, IATF will observe the alert level restriction every week for the assessment. That is our latest live. Back to you, William.
Yes, thank you, JP Nunez, reporting live.